Guys, I'm Preeti. Welcome to my channel Lab Classes. As you know, in the last classes I have discussed on the topic transitive verb and intransitive verb. But today I'm here with the lab part of the verb. You know, verbs are broadly classified into two categories based on their function. One is main verb, that is also called as principal verb, and another is auxiliary verb, that is also called as helping verb. Now I think you are thinking that what is main verb? Main verbs are like just like jump, arise, it's, awake, etc. But auxiliary verbs are the forms of the verbs like be and have. Main verb, what is main verb? Main verbs are like jump, it, abide, awake, etc. But auxiliary verb are the forms of the verbs like be and have. You know, be can be used as is, am, are, was, were. For example, I am giving you one example. She is standing outside. Here is auxiliary verb. Okay. Now come to the next point. Be can be used as is, am, are, was, were. And have can be used as has, had, will have, shall have. I am giving you one example. She has danced. She has danced. Here has is auxiliary verb. Now come to the next point. You know, there are 5 forms of the verbs. First form, second form, third form, fourth form and fifth form. But you don't have need to learn about fourth form and fifth form. Why? Because see here, like verb abide. Abide is the base form of the verb, that is first form. And the fourth form of the abide is abiding. And fifth form, abides. After putting ing in the base forms, it becomes fourth form. And after putting es with the base form, it becomes fifth form. So you don't have need to learn fourth form and fifth form. Today I am giving you 10 verb forms and you have to learn in your home. Just wait, I am giving you some example. Some of the forms of the verb, just wait. Here are the forms of the verbs. First form, that is called base form, and second form and third form. You know, base form of the verb is always in plural form, and fifth form fifth form is always singular form, always in singular in number, and the base form, that is the first form, always in plural form. Okay, next, this is the forms of the verbs that I have given you. That first is abide, abide, abode, abode, abuse, abused, abused. Next one is advise, advised, advised. Next one is arrive, arrived, arrived. Ask, asked, asked. Awake, awoke, awoken. Be, was, been. Next one is last, this is last one, that is arise, arose, arisen. Okay, today's class is over. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो आप सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको अगली नोटिफिकेशंस टाइम टू टाइम मिलते रहें. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.